Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Notepad++ on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Now, here's what you need to understand. It does not exist as a software on the Microsoft Store, and it's a third-party software. It is not a Windows software, even though the name resembles Notepad. So search for Notepad++ in your browser search bar, and then go to the Notepad++ download page, and then you can download the latest stable version. Click on download and click on install. You will get the installer. Click on OK, next, I agree, next, install, finish. So here's Notepad++. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.